How do you change this? How do you get people excited who are obsessed with football?
Well, I mean, at Auburn, we've had season tickets sold out for 3 years. I've got the second best home court advantage in the SEC behind Kentucky. My games are all sold out. The jungle, you can't, the students, there's overflow.
That's the biggest thing we got to do is offensively, is value possession. Every time we get the ball, let's execute. Let's get the ball down a fast break. Take good shots. Don't stand around. Work like crazy. Even when it's not your play call, when it's not your cut hard, screen hard, move hard, space hard. Make those guys guard. Which team is more excited about playing? Which team wants this one more?